Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot. Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Day 39, I believe. Use only one account, by the way. You can use more accounts if you wish. I'm just using one account to kind of show what beginners are likely to expect. You know what I mean? And the simpleness of making this money. All right, so let's talk about first before I show my results or whatever. Let's talk about the reason why I want to promote the My Lead Gen Secrets product. Not My Lead Gen Secrets, but the $25 one digital business. Now, first of all, it's a product and it's a very effective one. I think it's one of the best products out there. One of the products in it is a funnel builder. And the funnel builder is very solid, very efficient, very modernized, very easy to use, so on and so forth, right? And if you know $25 for even just that, right? Not including all the other stuff you get, but including even just that is like immaculate, right? Because I think the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels charge, I think it's $197 per month for a funnel builder, for a similar funnel builder, and with limitations. They have limitations on them funnel builders. For example, they have only a certain amount of people can look at your funnel. That was the most egregious to me because I thought that was just insane. Only a certain amount of people can see your funnel before, eventually it'll get to the point where they'll just shut your funnel down, unless you pay the $300 a month instead. All right, so yeah, you don't have to worry about any of that with this. It has no limitations at all for $25 with the funnel builder, including other stuff you get too, emails, all kind of stuff. You get a whole bunch of stuff for $25. Anyway, that's one reason why I like promoting this product, because it's a really good product. And second of all, it's because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, which is amazing. I never heard of anything close to that. Not even half of that. Even half of that is like rare, like 40% recurring commissions. Usually it's something like, I think the best I've seen is something like 50% initially. Like say somebody spend $100, you get 50 of it, and then 25% afterwards. After that, so if they keep spending that $100, you get 25%. You get $25 afterwards. Never $100 and you get 80 of it every single month. That's how big of a deal the recurring commissions is, and I don't think anything online right now beats it, even get close to it. All right, guys, so that's why I like promoting this product. All right, so let's keep it moving, guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get up here. We're gonna refresh here, and we're gonna, all right, it does not look we got a sale. This October 2nd, we did not get a sale, which is totally fine and totally okay. It's not something that you have to worry about a ton. Sometimes you don't get sales. That's just what it is. It's totally fine because we're using like the easiest method of promoting. So if you put a lot more effort in promoting this product, you would definitely get way more sales. I am putting the minimum amount. That's why the reason why I'm showing you this minimum amount of effort is because I'm trying to show you how easy it is to make money online. All right, guys. So what you want to do, you want to use this link to promote. This is the one I promote, all-in-one $25 business. So anyway, let's go over here to the mailing system. Let's see here. We're gonna pick a email here. I think I already picked one. I wrote myself. Let me see. Get up there. Is we gonna promote? Look, have we sent that email? Instant. instant one. Yeah. Let's send this one. Right, let's go with this one. Load that up. So yeah, you can just pretty much copy this email if you want to. That's the title there, the subject, put that in. And then you can go down here and just look at these. Get started today and build your income. We're gonna put our signature as. You don't have to put a signature you don't want to. I might not even put one, bump it. I'm gonna go and put the signature. I think sincerely. That's what I meant to spell. I don't know why I typed what I typed. But anyway, we're gonna put sincerely there. We're gonna use one of my my pictures. I made this a while ago, long time ago. So you know, I can use it for stuff like this. Mine's on Imgur. You can put it whatever you like. You know, I just have mine on Imgur. It don't take but a second to copy the address and then paste it in there. Right, and then we need to smallen it, so that's way too big, as you can see. So we're gonna put 175 there. I think that's a good size for it. That's a pretty good size, right? So anyway, if you want to copy the email, you could just pause it right there, right, and see that. And you can pause it right there. You pretty much got the whole email. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. You know what I mean? Make sure you check the links. All the links are in the description to start the $25 business, the My Lead Gen secrets. It's all in the description there, guys. $25 business is also a link on my channel. If you go to my channel, you can see a link up there at the top right, I believe. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.